It's a nice lobby. Oh, really? Oh, wow. Let's get the other one on the way down there.
Yeah, we can take it up.
They only have 2 elevators and they already make 1 service.
And the indicator's blocked.
Okay, let's send this and get the other one.
Send it to Blake.
Oh. That's nice.
Hopefully the other one works.
I'm sure it does. Interesting how the lanterns are kind of offset.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, it's trying.
There we go.
It's doing its best. Ooh, this is a nice cab.
Yeah, the real cab. Okay. It's gold fixtures. There's a giant security camera staring us right in the face.
Yeah, right.
No beep on this one.
Whoa.
Are we just gonna go down to 1 and leave out the lobby?
Might as well, yeah. These are speedy.
Yeah. 6.
Nice, nice. Oh, look at the lanterns here. Oh, it's funny. It's yeah, right.
I like the gold fixtures. It's not very common that you see that.
You don't. You really don't.
Hello, camera.
Hello. Taking a big old peek at us.
Yes, us filming them.
It's
Them
filmception.
filming us.
We're filming them, filming us, filming them, filming us.
Yes. Anyways, let's head out.
Yeah, these lanterns are funny. I like them. I think those used to be US. Oh, there's literally no one watching anyway, so it's a very interesting building. That's it.